Good afternoon, everybody. John Adnoff, Finholder and More. We're at the Finholder booth, BW6, at the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show. And we have a message from Tim, who's a previous customer that came to us and bought some more. Tim, take it away.
All right, well, I've used the Finholder now about a year and a half. And when I first bought it, I was skeptical. I put it on the boat. It's been the best thing I've ever put on my boat. I can put towels in it, they dry. I can put my fins and mask in it, they wash. If you got something you need to store in it, like your chamois, it works. So I came back this time and bought several more.
Well, thank you, Tim. If you had one message for anybody, what would you tell them?
This is a quality product, bit well, and it doesn't cost that much money to make your tender better.
Well, thank you, Tim. We hope you enjoy the show.
Thank you.
Good day, everybody. John Adnoff, Finholder and More. We're at the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show with Captain Meredith and Captain Mike, and they want to talk about their Finholder products they have on their vessels. Take it away, Meredith.
Oh, good. If you guys don't know, these are the best products out there. We have an Invincible 39. We have 27 guests that come with us. These things keep the deck clean. Everything is organized. They're beautiful.
Great. If you have one word to say to everybody coming out here, what would you tell them?
Stop by at Finholder here at the Convention Center. Awesome.
All right. Thank you.